The Centers for Disease Control reports suicide rates are up more than 30% in the past 2 decades. Last year alone, 47,000 Americans took their own lives, leading to a decrease in life expectancy in the United States. KSN's Jeremiah Cook spoke with mental health experts about this today and joins us now. Jeremiah, can they point to any reason for the increase?
Well, there isn't one answer to that question, but one of the experts we spoke with pointed to the isolation that having such a tech-dependent society has led to. Sadly, though, there simply hasn't been enough research done to positively identify all of the whys behind suicide. But there is good news. In communities across America, help is just a phone call away. And in Joplin, Stephen Garman is one of the people on the other end of the phone.
I've been working with Crisis going on closer to 2 years.
And for Stephen and the other crisis counselors at the Ozark Center in Joplin, the phone rings on average roughly 600 times a month.
The average call is usually someone who obviously is in a crisis. They need help. They don't always know exactly what they want.
Adding in the text services offered by the Ozark Center takes that number to around 1,000 people asking for help every month. And Debbie Fitzgerald, Director of Crisis Services at the Ozark Center, says about a third of those calls are from someone thinking about suicide.
For some people, when things layer up, they sometimes become suicidal.
Fitzgerald says many times there are signs that a person is headed down that path.
Drastic change in behavior. Their appearance has changed. They seem irritable. They're being tearful, or they have started drinking or smoking more than they had previously, that it's out of character.
She says suicide is something that can be prevented if we identify problems soon enough and get that person the help they need.
We're losing more people in Missouri to suicide than we are murder.
If you or someone you know is considering suicide, Stephen says you need to know that you're not alone.
There's always somebody here to listen. There's always someone who cares.
You can reach a counselor by calling 1-800-247-0661. You can also anonymously text with a counselor. To register for that service, text REGISTER to 7207-TXT-OZK. The crisis line is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But no matter which option a person in crisis chooses, the key is remembering that help is always available.
A very, very important reminder.
Very much so.
Jeremiah, thanks.